Hello everyone, so today I'm 3D printing a stand for this this little die thing. So here's the issue. To clean it out, you have to hold it at about a 45-degree angle, which is actually about that. So I think it's more like 35 degrees, which is about that. No, about that. So that's about 35 degrees. And I need to make a stand for it so that it can, you know, do its thing while you're cleaning it, because you really do have to hold it while you're cleaning. While it's doing its cleaning process. So this is what I've made. It's a little stand. If I hold shift, no, I don't need to do shift. You can see how it works. Very easy design. It's got a little shoe bit here to go onto the front, and I have printed two pieces. Printing a third piece. Now this is actually too small. The prongs on it are too short, but I just wanted to show it off because look how nicely these fit together. So these have come right off the build plate. Look at that, absolutely rock solid. Like no flexure. Flexure? That's a weird word, isn't it? And if we... No way I'm going to be able to show this really, is there? I need to be careful of the brush bit at the end, but come on, not doing a great job of showing this off, am I? You can see there, it holds on, and yeah, oh crap, I've turned it on. I have to read the damn manual. Yeah, I just want to show off, look how nicely that fit together. That is just 0.1 clearance. Sorry, 0.1 offsets. There's about 0.2mm clearance on all sides. Absolutely spot on. And if you notice, the layer lines are actually different. You can see, you know what, if we just show it, Orca. I like Orca. So you can see that's the direction of the layer lines. It's 0.1mm, but the layer lines on the actual shoe bit, or the rails, come on, focus. They're all flat. So these are perpendicular layer lines, and they have fit absolutely perfectly. I was gonna super glue this, but I don't think I'll need to. Anyway, that's all.